So my guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you guys what I learned on how to use shadow effects to draw a perfect circle that looks so premium. For a long time my UI designs looked flat even when the shapes were perfect. But today I realized that the problem wasn't the circle, it was just the shadow. I learned that shadows aren't just decoration, they show depth and light directions. A soft shadow makes the shape feel natural, a hard shadow makes it look fake. Same circle, but a very big difference. I'm still learning UI UX, but small details like this change everything. I will keep sharing what I learned on Figma, one small lesson at a time. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love what I'm doing. Share to your friends who might be interested to learn UI UX with me. See you later. See you next time on my next video.